Hi and welcome to AgencyBud review and overview. I'll start off with what is AgencyBud all about. Well, in this AgencyBud review and overview, you will discover a step-by-step program to build a six-figure online business using AgencyBud and how to scale that business. AgencyBud is essentially your own ready-made business in a box. In a nutshell, AgencyBud is a suite of 4 powerful apps, namely Repwarn, CodeReach, DataJeo and Engage, that come with complete resell rights. With AgencyBud, you will get 4 software as a service platform that you can sell as your own. This gives you the opportunity to start a side business today with your existing skills that you can rapidly build and scale into a recurring income, even if you've never been able to make it online so far. Alternatively, if you're already doing anything online, this is also an additional opportunity to get recurring income. AgencyBud is made up of 4 established apps. The first one is Repwarn. Repwarn was first created in 2014 and launched in 2015. Repwarn is designed to be a social media and monitoring tool and reputation suite that your clients can have running for them 24/7. Anytime someone mentions their brand, their product, or even their stuff, or any search term that they may be interested in, a notification is instantly sent so that it can be immediately addressed. If it's good news, it can be shared through social media. If it's bad, it can be addressed immediately. Repwarn's new models also include a lead management area for people looking for your client's business in their area. For instance, somebody may ask, does anyone know of a good business consultant in New York? Or if one of your clients is a business consultant, they can immediately respond and potentially get a new lead. The review generator tool, helping businesses to get more good reviews while filtering the bid. Repwarn on its own is currently selling for $97 monthly or $997 annual, but you won't have to pay anything close to this. The second app in the suite is CodeReach. CodeReach is a lead generation tool for B2B business targeting. Have you just created a campaign for clothing manufacturers and retailers? Then, using CodeReach, you can easily find all the businesses that are similar in any geographic area and have the contact email addresses of key people instantly discovered. Do you find the ideal person to reach out to is a marketing manager in an organization? Then you can use the people search of CodeReach to identify anyone who fills that role in any area you would like to target, and boom, you've got your leads. You have an instant list of the right people to get your message out to. CodeReach is the lead generation tool for business, and while I've seen plenty of businesses close their doors because they don't have enough leads, I've yet to see one close because they have too many. CodeReach is about saving your time, which is the most precious resource you have. Stop wasting it on endlessly trying to find people to buy from you when AgencyBud can do all the legwork while you sleep. And there's more. CodeReach makes it easy to sync your data with CRMs for automated and personalized initial approaches and follow-ups. With CodeReach, you will be shown how to connect to automation systems that mean you can contact 100% of your leads every time, without struggling to find time, without having to be faced with 100 no's for every yes, and without ever missing a lead or a sale. Ever again. That's like having an entire sales team working for you non-stop. How cool is that? The third app in the suite is DataJeo. DataJeo delivers advertising and marketing profiles. DataJeo allows you to start crushing online advertising, saving thousands on ads, and generating insane return on investments. Do you sell coffee cups, for instance? Then you input those two words into the system and you instantly see the result. You will see the top 20 competitors for that product. Selectively choosing the competitors that you feel have the same markets as you do allows the real magic to take place. You will see their exact keywords, paid and organic. You will see which ones of the keywords bring the most traffic. Click next to the audience section and you will start to see the exact demographics you can be targeting. Where they live, how old they are, what are their interests. You'll be able to see the exact Facebook groups and pages you can target in your advertising. You will see the YouTube videos that you can be placing your message on, and even the top Twitter channels that the brand like yours can use to leverage. The result? A tighter advertising campaign from day one. Plus, in an integrated tracking and split testing facility to bring the real winning campaigns to the front for you every time. Currently, DataJeo is selling for $37 monthly or $397 annually. And again, you don't have to pay anything close to this. The fourth app in the suite is Engage. Engaging website visitors often leads to more sales, less support questions, and a better customer experience all around. But it means using yet another platform for messaging and keeping on top of things. Plus, who wants to be getting messages at 1 in the morning from someone on your site? Worse yet, if you don't answer them, you can wake up in the morning to someone who's already annoyed that your service is so poor and you've lost before you have begun. Enter Engage, the super bot system. With a simple copy and paste install on any site, you can have a live chat system that uses your existing messages platform. Do you use Skype? Great. AgencyBud has got you covered. You can answer on Skype. Do you use Facebook Messenger? Awesome. You can answer there too. And with the built-in roster and schedule system, you can have the right person receiving the message at any time, or the bot to deliver a predetermined answer to the web visitor. It's about engaging the customer for growth. And Engage helps you to do all that. Engage on its own is currently selling for $39.95 monthly or $297 annually. Again, you won't have to pay anything close to that in AgencyBud. Again, that's not all. My good friend Walt Bayless, the creator of AgencyBud, just wanted to leave no stone unturned. And in addition to AgencyBud, you will get step-by-step training and support on how to use the AgencyBud software as a service platform, as well as how to get new clients. You will learn some instant fast cash strategies you can put to work for yourself immediately. You will see the best way to create an income that is residual, meaning you still get paid no matter if you take a holiday or not. Plus, see how you can start with what you already have and build something amazing for yourself. In this AgencyBud review, I'll give you ideas on who AgencyBud is for. So who's AgencyBud for? You'll find AgencyBud is useful if you are one of the following. If you're looking to start a side business today with your existing skills that can rapidly build and scale into a recurring income. If you're somebody who's interested in generating passive income, this is a good tool for you. If you're a small to medium-sized business looking to get more and better exposure online, AgencyBud is definitely the tool for you. If you're looking to generate leads for your business or sell a lead generation service to other businesses and company, definitely AgencyBud has got you covered. If you're a local business marketer, if you're an SEO agency, if you're a social media consultant, a digital marketing consultant, a business opportunity seeker looking for a business that has the potential to bring in recurring highly monthly profits, If you're already into reputation management marketing, definitely AgencyBud will be great for you. If you're an affiliate marketer, if you have wanted to start your own software company without the investment in time and money of building this software, AgencyBud on its own costs close to $1 million to build. Or if you're just anyone wanting to create an additional stream of income, AgencyBud is truly a business in a box. What is your investment for AgencyBud today? AgencyBud platform is available for a yearly investment of $497, and you are allowed to sell the software and get to keep almost 100% of the profit, less the transaction fees. If you compare this offer to what it would cost to buy a franchise today, you would have to agree it's not only a very small fraction of the cost, but a no-brainer. Remember, there is ongoing comprehensive training provided by Walt Baylis and all the support you require to help you succeed. Additionally, Walt Baylis and his team also take care of the customer support of your clients. You can get access to AgencyBud by clicking the link in the description below this video. By using my link in the description, you get access to my huge package of complimentary AgencyBud bonuses. When you decide to invest in AgencyBud via my link here, I've decided to do something special for you. I've decided to customize my bonus to you and your situation and focus on providing real-world value bonuses that are not just stick on the value and provide bonuses that create information overload and overwhelm, but instead transformational bonuses that are tailored to your best interests and related and can apply to your market and or niche. Click the link to see the bonuses in the description below. All you need to do is click the link to get access to AgencyBud via my link, and then send me your proof of purchase to my email, mybrandmate@gmail.com, and I will be in touch immediately to organize the delivery of your bonuses. I wish you all the best and thank you for getting AgencyBud via my link. Wishing you good things, Anton Abrams. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel.